It's early morning here in my classroom.
So, break time ko ngayon. Nandun ang mga bata sa cafeteria nag-lunch. Nag-umpisa na namang ulan, guys. Hindi ko na-check ang weather ngayon. Plan pa naman sana namin pumunta sa park kasi it's Sunday. Maraming tao kapag Sunday. Ayan. So, I don't know. Sana mag-stop siya later para makalabas kami. So, nag-decide ang asawa ko, guys, na lumabas kami. Meron siyang nakitang isang park or beach. Yeah, beach, charot. Yeah, he just wants to get acknowledged, guys, na siya daw yung nag-wash ng dishes over there. And si Rachel kumakain. Yeah, and may magandang restaurant daw doon, guys, sabi ng asawa ko. So, at least, I think later on, we're gonna have our dinner over there para hindi na kami magluluto. Yes. So, see you. Medyo tumila na yung ulan, guys.
Little like island, like that. Oh my gosh.
Yeah. Living here is like, like vacationing every day. So, where are we heading to right now, Daddy?
Well, as far as that was the location, we passed it, so we're just gonna be driving.
Okay.
Drive.
And so, siguro later on na lang, guys, pupunta kami sa restaurant. Pero sa ngayon, i-explore muna natin dito na area, guys, kasi hindi pa namin ito napuntahan dito.
Hotel Oasis.
Mapansin mo dito.
Mama stayed, right?
Yeah. Playa Bonita.
Hey, Google.
Reynas,
Where's-
Palacio and La Playa.
Something
So
went
dyan
wrong with the
kami
connection. Try
kumain
again.
last time.
Hey, Google, where's Bay Park?
That's a very beautiful Playa Bonita. Beautiful beach. Maganda siyang puntahan guys kapag pala Sunday kung gusto mo ng parang
Something went wrong with the connection. Try again.
maraming tao ganon. So punta ka ng Sunday, ang daming tao and halos lahat parang locals. Ito guys, villa. Para siyang daddy subdivision.
Ooh, I
Jesus.
knew it.
Ito.
Just stop playing the dance with himself. That's the picture city. You want to take a photo of the thing over here?
Oh wow, look at that guys. Oh, super beautiful. Other star. Look at this guys. De la Salida. Ang ganda dito. Tingnan mo yung Yeah. It's a cargo vessel. Tingnan niyo, ang ganda. Mm.
You can hear, feel it. Ooh.
Where were you then?
At the hospital. Okay.
Lucky thing the fire didn't, go to your place, to the hospital. Wala.
Good point.
Mga tour boat dito guys. Ganda doon.
That one is filled up.
Akala namin sa umpisa nagbo-boating, nagfi-fishing lang yung tao. Mas maliit kasi na yung una naming nakita, mas maliit na boat. Yan. So this looks like simpler side of Limon. Para siyang countryside. Okay. Ang dami naming nadaanan talaga ng mga guys. Forest. I was just telling my husband na I can see myself living here. Tapos, Sundays would be our road trip. Just to enjoy the beautiful, the scenic view. Like that. See? Para kasing refreshing yun siya, daddy, no? Yeah.
Even better
Like
if the
stress-free. Huh?
The road wasn't so wet and slippery, it'd be even better.
Yeah. Mga baka doon. Parang ang sarap naman mag-retire ng ganito, sa ganitong place. So, pabalik na kami guys, nag-U-turn lang kami. Kasi pabalik na kami. I can really see my self retiring here. Yeah. Ang ganda kasi dito guys talaga. Parang gusto ko nang tumira dito.
Wow.
Kahit like ilang taon lang ganon. Then balik kami ng Pilipinas. Para ako na-amaze dito. And I just love the nature. So, we are just driving guys. Wala pa kaming specific direction where to go. Ayan. I think we are just trying to explore the place na, na may sariling sasakyan. Ganun. Where did I put it? Okay, so dito, nadaanan namin ito. I think, doon banda. Yan, dyan. Yung nag-walk kami. Dali kita imi nag-walking o paano din. So, oh no, I don't know. So, yeah. I hope you guys will stick with us until the end of the video.
You can open the door, Rachel. Let's leave it open for now.
Dati, parang we need to rush. On schedule.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm gonna go put the cart.
Yan yung guys, yung flea market. So, bukas open sila bukas kasi Friday. So, pagkasulina lang muna tayo guys para siguradong puno yung yung tangke natin. Actually, almost full pa Yan, pero just to make sure na Okay, next stop na tayo guys. Ayan, so I still don't know where we're going. Pero yeah, ay nako, medyo low yung energy natin ngayon guys kasi pagod si lola ninyo. But yeah, I'm definitely having fun. I'm enjoying what we're doing here. So bukas, babiyahe kaming San Jose. So dito yung park na pinupuntahan namin madalas.
Oh, those kids are going crazy on the swing.
Oh,
Gosh. Oh,
wow.
gosh. I swung like that, remember? I swung so fast and then I ended up screaming to death.
Screaming what? She smiled. Nag-smile siya. Love you! Han? Yeah. So, bibili lang ng ang tawag dito, yung parang halo-halo. Yung asawa ko doon. IC. Dito na naman tayo guys. IC. So, marami talagang karagatan.